Today is July 17th. It is another slight risk day, and this one is more likely to be the day that we get severe weather. Yesterday, you'll probably see my chase footage by the time I upload this, but yesterday we ended up getting a Supercell north of Marshall, Virginia. And while that's cool and all, I do not think we're going to see the same today. What I do think is that we're going to see a squall line with damaging wind gusts. We're going to station at Culpeper for right now. And we may move a bit more north or south depending on the conditions. But right now, I think Culpeper would be a nice medium ground for us, both for chasing terrain and for just access to areas more south or areas more north. We'll see what happens, and hopefully we'll be able to get there in time. About 20 minutes out. I think storm initiation is about an hour out. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. So, getting some wind gust over here. I don't know if it's going to be a lot, but we're in a similar location we've been in before. A lot of attempts, but so far, it looks like the northern part over there has been the part to go. We got some cumulus trying to go up above us, so that is a good sign. It's around 6-7 mile per hour winds right now. Not, absolutely adoring of it. That's a little less than what I would expect for a wind day, but it's a nice cool breeze. So we'll see what happens. Heading back up north. There's a cluster that's exploded up by Newmarket. I think that's going to be the one today. The one to be on. So that's where we're going to go. Talk to you all in a little bit. It was not it. It got globby. It got globby. That. And it's the southern stuff is starting to blow out. We probably should have stayed in Culpeper, but being me, being my mind, and being a storm chaser, I tend to snap on whatever looks good. And that looked good. And I guess the mess of updrafts really hindered it from being special. So now we're on some back road, specifically Wilson Road, and we're gonna hop over to Warrenton for the segmented line, which is looking much better, less sheared out, and especially the way it's being set up is on the leading edge. So there we should be able to get some structure, but knowing my luck, I probably just made the wrong decision. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a awesome day, no matter what, because we're out, we're having fun, and well, that's a little subjective, but we are out, so we'll see what we can do. We can make do with the storms. There is a line of them, so it's not like, I don't get on one and that's the end of the world, but preferably I get on the best segment of the line, the best subdraft anyways, and we can get some good footage. So yeah, let's make it happen. Down trees all over the place up here.